Good morning, g'day from Bang Saray. Well, it's Christmas Eve, and last night Sue and I were driving through Bang Saray in a little mini school bus with an old driver and full of kids. Just pulled out and boom, didn't even look, straight into it. And we'll just document what we're doing over Christmas. So Susie here. Morning, Susie.
Morning.
She blamed me. It's quite funny. The driver didn't even look, he just pulled out, bang! Anyway, this place quoted $6,500 to fix it. And the driver was arguing with Sue, well, not arguing, just Thai style. And he convinced this shop, because he knows the boss, to do it for $4,000, and he transferred the money into Sue's account this morning. Okay, so we've dropped the car off, and now we've come here to Dolomio, White House. This is a great little place to eat, and it's just up from Season. Look at it, very cute. And everyone might remember Kat. She used to work at the expat food shop, and this is the chef. And if everyone sees it on Christmas Day tomorrow, from 6 p.m. onwards, they've got all this beautiful food, 100 baht per person. Amazing. Dolomio. And they make the best pad kapow. And yesterday, Sue and I had crispy pork, but their food's not expensive and really good quality. So they've got some Western food, fish and chips, salmon, pork steak, chicken massaman. Not sure. Oh, they've got burgers. Wow. So what's your breakfast, Susie? Susie, what are you having for breakfast?
กะเพราหมูสับไข่ดาว
What?
Minced pork ผัดกะเพรา
Yeah.
and egg.
It tastes good?
Yes,
Very good. And what are you putting on it now? What's that?
Fish sauce and chili.
That's not spicy enough? No?
For more texture.
And they do smoothies. Beers. Yeah. Susie's finished her pad kapow. She's laughing because I'm calling her Susie. And I asked Kat, what's the most popular dish here? And she said chicken with cashew nuts. Not spicy, but you can add chili and steam rice. And she said next time to try the massaman, so we'll do that. So, to show you guys, it's all written in Thai. Pad kapow moo with an egg, 85 with rice. The chicken with cashew nuts was 150, and another steamed rice 20, and 2 waters 285. That was good. That was breakfast.
Yes, lovely.
Lovely. But Sue's got to go and visit her dad in hospital now, so she'll be taking the Colorado and leaving me at home to do a bit of cleaning, probably. Outside. Merry Christmas. Christmas Day. And look at pretty Sue. Oh, look at Sue.
Merry Christmas.
Well, we're going out for lunch. We just had a friend come and look at the Colorado for sale. And he wants it. Anyway, we'll see you at lunch. Well, we sold the Colorado. Well, I did yesterday. So this is our mode of transport because Sue's car's in the panel shop. But we're going for a ride into Bang Saray to have some breakfast on the water. Beautiful day in Thailand, Bang Saray. we'll come back and show you. Mango and Hubba's been renovated. I haven't been inside there yet. Didn't take them long to do it. But we're next door at the boathouse. Not open. You can stay here. Might have to do a room review. Oh, that's Mango and Hubba just there. Well, we're not eating at the boathouse because it's the weekend and they've got guests staying. We'll come back another day when they do allow us to eat. So we'll come here next door, Mango and Hubba. This place, it's very chill. Came here a long time ago. Let's have a look at the menu. I don't think it's cheap. $250 for pack the power. Huh. Not cheap. Very colourful menu though. Well, not cheap. 797 baht. 50 baht for a bottle of water. 95 for a hot latte. 290 for a burger. And 290 for Sue's fried chicken. But it's a nice atmosphere. Nice food. Quality. What do you rate this place out of 10?
10 of 10.
10 of 10. Oof, it's a pretty high score.
Help.
So they're looking for some staff down here. Well, Sue can be that one, the helper. Huh? You want to do that job? Or can you help me?
Help you.
Well, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching our few days in Bang Saray over Christmas. And this is another car added to the collection for sale. The Colorado's gone, but I'm going to go and get this one washed for the subscriber, expat. And see you in a video soon. Appreciate you watching.